I'm Priyanka Halder. I work for HomeMe and I'm the Quality Assurance Director here. Everything related to quality assurance is my job, so I take care of the quality of HomeMe app. We have iOS and Android, and we also have APIs and websites, so everything related to testing is my job. HomeMe is on a mission to make renters' life easy. So it often happens that whenever you go for renting a home, you have to go and tour it, and then at the end you're not approved for that home, and due to your financial position. What HomeMe does is HomeMe pre-approves you beforehand, so you know what you can afford. And everything related to renting, we are a one-stop shop. So booking a tour, getting a tour, looking for photos, everything you can do it through HomeMe. So it's pretty unique. We are a pretty small company, like pre-startup mode. We have very few people right now, very limited resources. Applause is like my extended team. I just email my PM, Teresa, on a Sunday evening and start a cycle, and then I come in next morning for my work and I get like 30 bugs. And I'll give you an example that one tester said, okay, this functionality doesn't make any sense. This is not your main functionality. Why don't you move it inside settings? And we had a follow-up meeting with our CEO. He says the exact same thing 2 days later and said, see, we already have this from Applause and they are giving us the exact feedback that we want. We are saving a lot of negative reviews happening, could have happened in our app store, right? But we are getting it beforehand from Applause users. Every time I have a release, I make sure I go to Applause and I start a cycle, so at least few testers are looking into our app. So I can be rest assured that okay, at least 5 or 10 people have seen it, they didn't find any major issues, so my app is in good hand and it will function in the production. Device coverage is pretty important for us. So Applause is a true partner in that sense, because I can just go and simply say, okay, from API 19 onwards, I need 10 users testing in 10 different APIs, using different screen size, different latest mobile, and Applause brings all those for us, and they test on each device I need. So it's a pretty big deal, and I'm getting a very good coverage from Applause. So when I started working with Applause, one thing I kept in my mind is that I want to expand into different kind of testing, so which I couldn't get from the other providers. It's a very good feature to have, because a lot of other providers, they just do functional testing and they do not have this kind of feature where I can get automation or performance or security. So that was a big deal for me. I could be able to expand my different kind of testing through Applause.